Affiliate marketing is a great way for anyone to make money online without having to build their own product. Whether you have your own blog or website, or just want to promote someone else's products, affiliate marketing can provide a lucrative income stream. In this video, I show you how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch by explaining the 6 steps that every new affiliate marketer needs in order to be successful. Number 1. Find a niche. Finding the right niche is crucial to the success of your affiliate marketing business. When you pick out a niche, make sure that there is demand for it and not an oversaturated market with tons of competition like the fitness niche. Look for niches that are growing in demand, but aren't saturated with affiliate marketers already. If you still want to enter that competitive niche, then you need to provide more value than others. You have to find your own unique angle that's going to give you the advantage over everyone else in the niche. Number 2, pick a product to promote. Once you have found a niche that has some potential, then it's time to pick a product to promote. There are 2 primary options: promoting your own products or someone else's products as an affiliate marketer. Either way, make sure that the product you decide on is something you love and believe in, so it will be easy for you to sell others on it. Number 3, create a website or blog to promote the product. You will need a website or blog to promote your product, so make sure you have one set up. If you are promoting someone else's products as an affiliate marketer, look for affiliate programs that allow affiliates to use their own domain rather than having them go through the company they are promoting. This will help keep all of your traffic on your site instead of directing it to someone else's website. Number 4, build your brand with quality content. Creating quality content is obviously very important for affiliate marketers, but there are certain aspects that make the difference between good and bad content. The best way to build your brand as an affiliate marketer is by creating helpful, detailed articles that will bring value to your readers. Don't create content that is just filler or useless information. Make sure you are providing the best advice possible. Number 5, find the right traffic sources. Finally, it is important to find the right traffic sources in order for your affiliate marketing business to be successful. If you are promoting someone else's products as an affiliate marketer, make sure that they have a good conversion rate and provide lots of ways to promote their product. It should go without saying, but I will say it anyway: never promote a product that has a terrible conversion rate. Also, if you are promoting your own products as an affiliate marketer, then make sure that they have good traffic sources to send their users towards. If the product isn't converting well, or there aren't enough people visiting it from search engines, social media, and other websites, then those products won't be good to promote. Number 6, make sure you track your results. Make sure you are tracking your results so that you know what is working and what isn't. There are many tools out there for this, but my favorite one to use with affiliate marketing is Google Analytics. It provides detailed information about all of the traffic coming onto your website or blog, which will help you improve your site over time. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some value in it. If you did, make sure to like the video if you haven't already. Also, subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest video, as well as some other great resources I provide. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated.